In this video, I'm going to show you how to find recorded clips from Geforce Experience. So all you have to do is just click Alt Z and you could see this Geforce Experience display and you could see the record. This is where you record also. So you just have to go to gallery and open file location if you have any items in here. Now, beforehand, if you don't have any gallery, you just have to go to settings and just go to recordings. Now, once you are in here, this is where the temporary files, or this is where your recording clips where are going to put. So as you can see in videos, you can see the users Rodel to video. So you just have to go with this file. So as you can see, I just have it in my video section. As I can see in here, this is where the NVIDIA recorded clips in here. As you can see, there are no videos in here yet. It's empty. Let's click Alt Z again. But that is where your NVIDIA recording clips are going to. So if you want to change your location of your videos, you just have to click this, and you could also browse, or you could also copy paste the things, what is the location of the file that you wanted the videos to put them into. So yeah, and that's it.